Okay guys, this first example, I have here 286 squared. So we try to answer any 3-digit number, square any 3-digit number. Okay, so first guys, we square 6. Okay, so therefore this is 6 times 6, which is equals to 36. Okay, and then square also this 2-digit 28 square. Okay, so therefore this is equals to 28 times 28. Okay, this is equals to 784. Okay, did you get the same answer? Okay, very good. And then the next steps we can do is multiply these 2-digit numbers 28 to 6 and then multiply to 2. Okay, so this is look like this: 28 times 6 times 2. Okay, so 28 times 6 times 2. So do you have answer this guys? Is equals to 336. Okay, very good. Do you get the same answer? So this is 336. Therefore guys, I rewrite this 36 this one's place value. Okay, 36 first for further explanation, and then 28, this is here at the 100 value, so I write 784. Okay, and then at the middle part, this product, which is the 336. Okay guys, now this is not yet the final answer. First we do we carry over 3 over here, then cancel out 3, and then carry over the 33 over here. Okay, so I will cancel out 33 and carry over here. Then next, proceed to addition guys. Okay, therefore bring down 6, 3 plus 6, which is 9, and then 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1, so carry over 1, therefore this is 8. So guys, our final answer, 286 squared is equals to 81796. Okay, did you get the same answer? So if you get the same answer, so very good. Okay, this is our final answer. 286 squared is equals to 81,796. So, I have here 125 square. Okay? Same procedure, guys. Square this one's value, then this 10 value is 12. So, square also. Okay? So, same procedure, guys. 5 squared is equals to 5 times 5, which is equals to 25. Okay? So, I will write these 3 lines. And then, square also 12. Okay? So, this is equals to 12 times 12, which is equals to 144. Did you get the same answer, guys? So, very good. This is 144. And then, multiply 12 to 5, then 5 to 2. Okay? Multiply here, then multiply here. So, this is look like this. 12 times 5 times 2. Okay? So, therefore, this is equals to 12 times 5 is 60 times 2 is 120. Right? So, did you get the same answer, guys? Okay, very good. Therefore, at 5, I will write here 25 first. Okay, 5. And then 12, 144. I write here 144. And then at the middle part is the 120. Okay, guys. So what I have said, this is not yet our answer. Okay? So now we carry over 2 over here, then cancel out 2. Okay. Then 120 remained 0. Carry over 12 over here, then cancel out 12. Okay? Therefore, now we proceed to addition. Okay? Therefore, this is bring down 5. Okay? This is 2. This is 6. This is 5. And bring down 1. Okay? Therefore, guys, 125 squared is equals to 15625. This is our final answer. Did you get the same, guys? Okay, very good. Okay. So, another example, guys. Okay. 696 squared. Okay. So, square first this one's place value. So, therefore, this is 6 squared, which is equals to 6 times 6, which is equal to 36. Am I right? Okay. And then, square also this 69. squared is equals to 69 times 69 is equals to 4761. Okay, did you get the same answer, guys? Okay, very good. And then the last step we do is multiply 69 to 6, then multiply to 2. Okay, so multiply, then multiply to square of 2, to the power of 2. Okay, so it look like this: 69 times 6 times 2, which is equals to 8 to 8. Okay, so did you get the same answer, guys? Okay, so 8 to 8. Now, I write over here the 36 at the place value of 6. And then at the middle part is the 8 to 8. Okay, guys. So, very easy. And then, at the 100 place value is 4761. Okay. So, 4761, 82836 is not yet the final answer of 696 square. Okay. So, like what I did, I will carry over 3 here, then cancel out 3, then remain 8, 8 to 8, remain 8, carry over 82 over here. Okay, then proceed to addition. Okay, guys, therefore bring down 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, bring down 1. Carry over 1. Then this is equals to 4. This is 14. 1. This is 8. This is 4. Okay, guys. Therefore, guys, 696 squared is equals to 4,844,1,6. So this is our final answer, guys. So did you get the same answer? So very easy. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching and learning new mathematics tricks from thonz. Okay, bye-bye.